In this video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to do a factory reset on the SR-S500 register. You should have only performed this procedure if you're happy to lose all programming and sales data. It's a simple process. First of all, turn the key to off, press and hold down the feed key, and then turn the mode key to PGM. You can now release feed and then type in 12540 and press subtotal. The machine will now take a minute or so to process the factory reset. You'll know it's finished for two reasons. Firstly, it'll print out a receipt confirming the reset, and the display will be set to the standard PGM settings mode. Please note that this procedure will remove all sales data and programming, so the machine will be restored to out-the-box settings so there'll be no customized data on it. The process is now completed, so you could turn the key back to reg mode or simply turn the machine off. For more information on using the Casio cash registers, please visit casiohelp.co.uk or feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.